Idris. How many times did I call you?
I was hitting a block, right? I was like, oh, I'm not doing it right? So I went in the corner and then I was looking at the wall and I was like, come on, devil, right? Come to me, because I had to do something like crazy.
You should have known better. You of all people, Idris and the Yoruba man, you should know this already. You want to go and summon the devil just to act a movie. And now you are complaining that the devil is disturbing you just now. I am very, very sure that you don't summon the white demon. You want to go and summon Yoruba demon. This is the problem. Because if it was a Yeboah devil that you summoned, but now it will not be disturbing you anymore. Just give them one crate of Heineken. And that's all. Even if the devil is having strong head and decide to come back again to your sleep, just spray perfume. Invictus. Mark that one on the line. Invictus. That's the only perfume you can use. Just spray it. They will never come back. But for Yoruba demon, if you like spray outside perfume, they will still come back. They are never satisfied. Even if you buy them Heineken and crate of beer every day, they will still come back. A friend of mine that went to go and summon demon the other day, that was how the demon was disturbing him everywhere. He bought cows from Sudan. You know, all those Sudanese cows. He bought like 100 pieces. The devil did not agree. He was even interacting with the devil. What do you want? The devil said, I don't know what I want, but I just want to disturb you. Why not? That's Yoruba demon for you. Let me tell you something. You think you have seen it all? You have not seen anything. That's how they will continue to come every day and disturb you in your sleep. You will not be surprised that one day you will just try to act movie and they just say camera rolling, action. Yum, devil will just come and and you just see one flying girl say, this get to that, this is that. You take her home. Immediately you offload the woman and you want to the devil will just come. Yum. Don't be surprised. Anything you are doing in your life, maybe you want to go and shower. Immediately you're on the shower, devil will just come. Why not? As you hold your gillette, maybe you want to shave. Immediately you just let you look at it like the devil will just come. If you are not careful, he will hold your You want to go and be summoning the devil just because of movie. Instead of you to pray to God that God should help you, you decide to go and summon devil. Now you are complaining that they are disturbing you in your dreams. You have not started. Let me tell you something. Your problem will not stop me from doing what my daughter asked me to do. My daughter said that the problem with this word is disturbing me too much, and I am lacking sleep. So he said that he'll be sleeping 18 hours. I have slept only 12. It's remaining 6. So let me go and sleep my remaining 6 hours. But to go and summon the Yoruba devil. Rubbish.